Today, let's have a reading practice using basic sentences.
Let's read. I can see the cheese. I can see the cheese. Let's read. I can see the milk. I can see the milk. Let's read. I can see the carrots. I can see the carrots. Let's read. I can see the fish. I can see the fish. Let's read. Let's read. I can see the bananas. I can see the bananas. Let's read. I can see the apples. I can see the apples. Let's read. I can see the eggs. I can see the eggs. Let's read. I can see the onions. I can see the onions. Let's read. I can see the soda. I can see the soda. Let's read. I can see the bread. I can see the bread. Let's read. I can see the donut. I can see the donut. Let's read. I can see the meat. I can see the meat. Let's read. I can see the sushi. I can see the sushi. Let's read. I can see the burger. I can see the burger. Let's read. I can see the sausages. I can see the sausages. Let's read. I can see the salad. I can see the salad. Let's read. I can see the rice. I can see the rice.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.